going in this week, so those are in, and I'll take a look at the kitchen. Today, now that the hood is in the kitchen here, we'll be having a full menu here, where you could order up anything for here to go for lunch, dinner, and breakfast on the weekends. And we're excited to have a full menu. Outside's changing. You can see it's going to more of a darker color than it was there before, and it'll be a lot better. So hope to have you guys come by soon here. It'll be open in 4 weeks.